guys, and today I'm making a chocolate mug cake, and instead of mixing it by hand, I decided to use the old handy blender. Got stepmom over here. Hi. The flour with some baking powder in it. Flour with baking powder?
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, cool. Flour with baking powder. Make sure that goes all in. You should watch our video recently about flour. Dad. Put some sugar in. Make sure that goes all in. Boom, very sugary. I'm going to be bouncing off the walls after this. Put some oil in. Cocoa powder, yeah.
Okay.
Milk. I'm going to put
What's the milk got in it? Do you remember?
Oh, that
A little bit of
chocolate.
vanilla.
Vanilla. Ooh. The water. Now let's put the lid on for the blending. Very sharp. Let's put this to one side, and I'm going to bring Special Guff in. He is my favourite Disney character. Guess what he is in the comments? His name is 3, 2, 1. Goofy. Ooh.
No.
It's microwave time. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, hoo, hoo. Not so good. Try a bit, ladies and gentlemen. New plan. We're doing this with ice cream because it literally tastes like a brownie. Put the ice cream in. That's wowing. Remember what I mean? It's satisfying.